Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap, trades taken last week. So today is Sunday, new week starting, but before that I just wanted to make this video and get it out of the way. So let's get it started. The week started on, I forgot when, but my trading started the 1st May. This is the 1st May, first trade. Aussie yen, all yen pairs were going to the upside. So this is the first one, Aussie yen, for 130 pip. The entry was last Friday. Moving forward, CAD yen, again, the entry was last Friday. Not this one, this one I'm talking about the 1st May. The 120 plus pip on this one, right? And on the 1st May, again, this one USD yen, all yen pairs you see they're onto the upside, 65 pips here, and this is CAD yen, 70 pip going to the upside, May 1st, and you can see this one. Sorry, that's the other one. This is Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart. My son is also learning and taking, and this is his chart. It is 190 pip. You can see this 190 pip, right? I would close way earlier, but he's learning and he says like, okay, let me try this, dad. And okay, no problem, hold on to it. So this is how it is. Euro CAD from 7-minute chart. This is beautiful entry here by the book, and you can see the buy order here, and it's 405 pip. A lot of trades last week. Pound yen, now the yen index start to drop. Yen index start to drop, and all yen pair you will see the down, short. 60 pip, this one to the downside, pound yen. This is Aussie yen. Again, this is to the downside, 90 pip, because yen start to get strong, and we will start to see downside, the short trades in yen pairs. CAD yen, see, this was going to the upside, but now this is to the downside, 90 pip. USD yen also, all yen pairs went down after making the turn. After yen index made the turn, and you can see here it's 100 pip to the short side, and then this one is 3rd May buy order here, beautiful entry. It took a little longer time than usual, and then after that, boom, it went up by here for 120 pip. The system gives you so many entries in so many different pairs. Pound CAD, pound was on the move, and CAD was also. So 135 pip on the 3rd buy order is right there. And let's see, pound USD. This pair, I don't know why it used to be a big mover, but nowadays it's just very small, 60, 70 pip. The daily range is also shrunk on this pair. So it's only 75 pip here. Euro yen, again, on the move to the downside, is 125 pip on the 4th. Euro Aussie. Aussie start to get strong, by the way. And this week, I think it will get stronger. Again, so 140 pip. Watch this one. 140 pip from here to here. It was going powerfully to the downside, but I closed it. So enough is enough. Right, on the 4th, Euro CAD, and this beautiful move to the downside, but it is from 7-minute chart. USD CAD, see this entry here on the 4th, 60 pip only. Pound Newsy sell order here. This is by the book as well, but only 75 pip on the 4th. Now on the 5th, a lot of trades on the 5th as well. Friday, the Euro CAD. Euro after the red news, bad news, and everything, Euro went down. So this is from there, 120 pip from the 7-minute chart. And Euro CAD also 7-minute chart, USD CAD, sorry, and it's for 95 pip. CAD start to get strong, very strong. And pound CAD, see this short, all CAD pair went down. USD CAD, pound CAD, Euro CAD, this CAD, that CAD. So CAD got strong. So 65 pip here. Now CAD got strong. CAD is on the left-hand side on this pair. Yen was weak, so boom, it went up 115 pip from 7-minute chart. And here, pound yen, This is the one that I posted on the Telegram, step by step, and this one took off for 120 pip right after the NFP. And here, Aussie yen, again, yen start to get weaker as I predicted. And this buy order here, you can see beautiful valuable entry and 75 pip to the upside from 7-minute chart. So these are like 24 trades with this setup, this system and the setup, proper setup. Yes, of course, I had my SL hit, several SL hit at break even, and some hit a full 25 pip. My SL is always 25 pip. Like if I make the entry here, right there is the entry, and then SL is always right behind this low. So it's not more than 25 pip. So if I'm right, I catch trades like this. See this here? My entry was here. My SL was right there. This is a little bit late, so maybe 25, 26, 28 pip entry, maybe 30 maximum. That's it. If I'm late, right? If you like, my alarm is beeping for so many different trade setups, right? Then by the time I take this setup and that setup and place my order and get to this one, I'm a little late, right? So the price just move a little bit more faster, so no big deal. But usually, the 90% of the time, I get to put the SL on 25 pip, the entry, early entry after 2 blue candles, entry, and then SL is always 25 pip. Right, so this is it for now. I just wanted to show and share with you guys. And another thing is that you can learn this in no time if you take my one-on-one course, which is right here. You can see on my website, one-on-one coaching here, right? And you sign up with that. This is a 10-hour intense course where you can learn Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNL level, trend line, Fibonacci, how to use it, how to fix the tool, everything Forex has to offer, and my 15-year of experience in that. And not only that, but how to take precise entries using my system after you have like harmonic patterns, Gertley, Bad, Crab, and all of those, Bertley, right? Butterfly pattern. And once they finish, or during the making, I take the trades. If you know exactly where the turn is about to happen, then you can make the entry and cash out. A similar thing you can do in Elliott wave counts. So you're going to learn every single thing, and you would not need anybody in the future ever again. You will know exactly what you're doing, right? So and on top of that, my son is willing to help out to those who are who doesn't know MT4 much and who are skeptical about all the EAs and MA, the template, and then expert advisor to how to load into and how to open the 40-minute chart and 20-minute chart and all of that. He will get into your computer through a TeamViewer, and he will set up all the charts, download the new MT4, set up all the charts, 40-minute, 20-minute, weekly, indexes, every single thing. He will set it up for you. So you have nothing to do, and you will have everything up and running. And of course, in 10 hours, 1 hour each session, within 30 days, I'll finish it, and you will learn every single thing. And then you have the whole year membership free. You can attend my live webinars twice a week for the rest of the year, email support, this and that, blah, blah, blah. All right. And you will have access to all my previous webinar recordings. This is a password protected area. Nobody can get in there unless unless you have a membership. Only the subscriber can get in here. All right. So this is a very good deal, and it is good for the whole year. I mean, you can enjoy membership the whole year and attend my webinars, and you will learn a lot. As it is, within 10 hours, you will learn every single thing about the Forex market. Okay. And trust me, one of these, maybe 1 or 2 trades using the, even if you're using mini lot, 4 or 5 these trades will pay off for the course. Just like, and within 1 week, 4 or 5 trades like that, that's it. You're done. You get your money back, and you will have a free ride for the rest of the year. Okay. And you will be a member of my Telegram, right, where I put the videos, the heads up, the charts, and like this one, GJ might be making a long, and it did, and then this is the trade that I took, every single thing. So I post here, heads up, and it is a very, very good, Telegram channel, right? That's a very, very good support, right? So you can have that for the whole year for free, right? So this is how it is, and please do not forget to sign up for, not sign up, I'm sorry, subscribe to my channel so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload them, right? And that way, sometimes I post. Now, well, let me show you here right now. If I have, yeah, okay. So now this one, the current chart, I just finished my webinar a few hours ago, and I mentioned this, and I gave it to my subscriber. This chart, this is a very, very important chart this week. We are slightly going to the upside. That's what I predicted last week on this chart, that we're gonna bounce from here, and we did. So I had several good trades, long trades. Now my take is that we might be making the turn from this area, 64.78. If we do, if we make the turn, I get a reversal candle here, just like this one, right? Then it might be coming down. This is kind of like a butterfly pattern, harmonic pattern, 78 to 38 to 127. It's supposed to do like that. So if we can stop here below this, or it might try to go up a little bit, like a fake out or something, and then go down again. So if it goes down, then we're gonna have a blast. We're gonna have a lot of short yen pairs, short trades coming up tonight. I'm gonna take them, and I'll show you the next day. All right. So this is a very, very important chart here. If we start dropping, like this one is like, Elliott wave or harmonic pattern, you can say Elliott wave 108 to a B. If it is finished here, we're gonna drop all the way here. All right, and if that happens, all yen pair will be going down again. With that, 64.78 is the key number to watch, and I'll be watching it, and I'll be taking my trades accordingly. Okay. So this is it for now, and I'm just gonna close it and send out the video out there. So prepare yourself for yen pairs to go short if we can stay here below 64.78. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful new trading week.